Hey guys, today we are going to be building a Lego bathroom. I already showed how this Lego bathroom will look. I'll share the link of the video. So let's get started. So I have the two base plates I have here. The tan one is an 8x8 base plate, and this one, the green one, is a 6x12 base plate. Now I'm going to start out with this one, and I'm just going to build. If I'm going too quickly, then you can always pause the video. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to be stacking up a lot of these 1x1 pieces, like shipping. And I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to stack up these 1x1 bricks. Okay. Now, only 3 minutes through, and we are going to be starting the walls. Okay, so I'm going to need these 2 bricks. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting up these, and we are almost done with the wall. Okay, so I have this. These are basically just 6 1x1 pieces stacked on top of each other, since I don't have a 1x2x3 brick. So I'm just going to place this here. This has a sticker, but yours doesn't need to have a sticker. This also has a sticker, and this also has a sticker. The mirror that we're going to be making will also have a sticker. You don't need to have a sticker on the bricks. but I just chose to do that just for show. So I have a 1x2 jumper plate. I'm going to stick that on as shown. This pink circular brick will be used as the soap. This was the sticker I was talking about. It doesn't need to have a sticker, but I just chose to have one. Now I'm going to have this window here. If you don't want to have a window, then you can have 3 1x4 bricks over here. If you choose to have one, then I would prefer white, but you can do whatever color you want. Now we are almost done. Now I have this right here. This is like a drain under the sink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that under here like that. Now I'm just going to take a tile that we're going to be using later and I'm just going to put it in like that. Now I'm going to take this 1x6 flat tile and I'm going to place it on top. And I'm going to take 2 of these 1x4 plates and I'm going to stick them on top of here so it will be all leveled out. And now I'm going to need 2 of these 1x4 flat tiles and 1 1x1 flat tile. This 1x1 flat tile is going to go over here. These 2 1x4 flat tiles are going to go on top over here like that. Now I have the bathroom. It's all done. Now I have this extra comb piece. I can stick it in here. Now these pieces, a lot of these pieces, where I got them from was Andrea's Pool Party kit. Lego Friends Andrea's Pool Party. That's where you can get most of these pieces from. And yeah. Now you can have an adjustable shower hood. And also have this, I also got this extra soap piece. So what I can do is I can always just put it in here, and then I could also have a comb in here maybe. Yeah, so that concludes this video. I hope you have made your Lego bathroom. Please subscribe and like to this channel, and goodbye.